O2 sensors, but when I plug them up, it seems like it go down or something. I don't know what's really going on with this thing.
Yeah, I mean, you're running a 5.3 on a 602.
Well, yeah, I had just put the 5.3 in. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's a problem too. Yeah, so.
Not saying it ain't possible.
Gears, posi. So. One thing go wrong. When I fix something, another thing go wrong.
Yeah, man. That's how it go down, man.
Yeah.
I put 4 transmissions in there.
Yeah.
The first one spit his guts out. Converter acted up.
Yeah.
And then I went and bought another. It didn't have park. Then I put that one in with stock stall.
Yeah.
It's got a decent cam. It didn't like it. So I pulled it back out. I sent the old stall back, got the stall back, put the stall back in, and now we're good.
I just got a rebuilt 4L80. So with the Sonic Sure kit, whatever that is, they put on it. He said it's supposed to hold some power, so we're gonna see.
I can't go to that.
I can plug them up. You want me? All right.
Too much, that's all. You got to hold my liquor like they say. I don't even drink. That's it. I'm just about to hold it. Right.
O2 sensors plugged up.
You might be all right. If you have to go back for
So we dumping a lot of fuel.
I knew they were going to be nasty, but I didn't think it was going to be not this early on. That's what I said. I knew later on it would be nasty.
You know, we got a leak somewhere, an exhaust leak. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Tone could have cleaned the motor, man, before he put it in this thing. But we got it done at a short notice.
I'm going to right. Well, I'm going to do this right here, though. This is right there. Yes, I can't help it. If I had to stand there any longer, I probably would have passed out.
Swap performance. Tuning it up. Man, it sounds a whole lot better. I need a muffler on this side, that's why it's spitting like that, y'all. On that side? Oh, okay. Oh, that's why I need a muffler?
Where's the exhaust leak at? Back here?
Right here behind the muffler. What's on? Oh, okay. Yeah. You don't think the spark is working? Maybe that's because of the leak. What you think? Exhaust leak.
Not a lot.
Yeah. I know that muffler is real bad. Okay, YouTube. He gonna turn off each. He gonna test well, basically test each cylinder and see which one is bad. All right. Coming to find out, my O2 sensors was off, y'all. Swap performance, man, he getting down to the bottom of it.
Trying, man, trying. That's why I was trying to throw that fuel, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh. You think that could have been a reason for the leaking fuel injector? Nah, just bad luck.
Yeah, if it's gonna leak, it's gonna leak.
Uh-huh.
I had the same problem on that.
Did you have to replace the motor?
No, I caught it.
Oh, okay.
D. Brooks had the same problem. He had to replace the motor.
Oh yeah, that's what happened to me. So what happened? Was it a piston?
On his?
Yeah.
Yes, it broke the piston, cracked the block.
Oh yeah. Sound damn good, man. Hell yeah.
Plus or minus 5 here. I mean, you're almost dead zero. But if you look at bank 1,
yeah,
it ain't no activity, none. See how this one's oscillating? That's bank 2. Bank 1, nothing.
Okay.
He ain't doing nothing. Now.
Yeah. Big ass turbo. What the? Zozo ain't got shit. Damn. We are doing that. Y'all ready for next year? We want to come in. Shit. I'm gonna wait till the sun go down before I go back over there. Shit. Yeah. She in there sleep. that right there?
Turn it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Open on me.
Oh yeah. Is that the
blow off valve.
Oh, okay. Oh, so when it get to rumbling like that, it pop out? It pop out?
No, when you release the gas. When you're releasing it, what you're doing is you're shutting the boost. It's gonna either slam into here because it's shut. Yeah. So I put that there so it goes out there.
Okay.
Go out there and then it go out here.
So what kind of fan is? What is this? You got it? Oh, it's just like a hose. You just sat right there.
I'm gonna move it back. I need to tee it in.
Oh, that goes where? It's just something that just lays right there?
No, I need to tee it in right here in my vacuum.
Okay, okay. Let me see. I didn't see no vacuum over there.
That's right here. It's lying here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see.
I need to tee it in that vacuum line.
Where is that line coming from? All the way around over there?
It's underneath the intake.
Oh, okay. Oh, up under, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a whole lot, man. When you come to putting turbos and all that shit, that's a whole nother ball game.
It is.
Man.
Can I get, you think you can two-step this for me so I can check?
Swap performance, wife, 2 steps to Monte Carlo.
We'll see about it.
You gotta hold this button. Yes. Push it in as hard as you can. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake.